Hi everyone, welcome back to Live Healthy Every Day. Are you struggling with a stuffy nose, sinus pressure, or that annoying feeling of congestion that just won't go away? In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy and powerful technique developed by Dr. Alan Mandel that can drain your sinuses and clear your nose almost instantly, all in one simple move. Let's dive right in. Your head contains four main paranasal sinuses: frontal sinuses above the eyes, maxillary sinuses behind the cheekbones, ethmoidal sinuses between the eyes, and sphenoidal sinuses deep behind the nose. These sinuses are interconnected, and when they get clogged, whether from viruses, bacteria, or allergies like pollen, you feel pressure, stuffiness, or even pain. But here's the good news. I can help you relieve that pressure in seconds by activating natural reflexes and drainage pathways in your head. Step 1. Cheekbone and ear release technique. Take your right thumb and place it just under your left cheekbone. Push in firmly and move slightly outward. Now, with your left hand, grab the lower part of your left ear and pull it straight out from your head. Hold this position for 10 seconds. You may start to feel a gentle release in your left sinus. Now repeat on the other side. Use your left thumb under your right cheekbone, push in and out. With your right hand, pull the right ear out gently. Hold for another 10 seconds. This helps stimulate the zygomatic bone, your cheekbone, and open up the eustachian tubes, which run from your nasal passages to your middle ear. When these tubes are blocked, you may experience ear pain, ringing in the ears, dizziness, or vertigo. This technique starts the natural drainage process, giving you almost immediate relief. Step 2. The nasal reflex reset. Let's now work directly on the nasal passages and signal the brain to help. Pinch your nose shut with your fingers. Take a deep breath in through your mouth. Tilt your head back and hold your breath for as long as you comfortably can. Stay in this position while you keep holding your breath. This position sends a powerful neurological reflex from your brain to your nasal and sinus regions, telling them to open up and drain. When you can't hold your breath anymore, release your nose, exhale slowly, and bring your head back down. Now, breathe in deeply through your nose. You should immediately feel a difference. Less pressure, easier breathing, and often, some drainage from the sinuses. How often should you do this? You can perform this technique multiple times a day, especially when you feel sinus congestion, stuffy nose, ear pressure, or post-nasal drip. It's completely natural and drug-free, using your body's own anatomy and reflexes to create healing. If this helped you, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below sharing your experience. And don't forget to share this with a friend or loved one who needs quick sinus relief. Let's breathe better, live better, and stay healthy every day. I'm your name, and this is Live Healthy. Welcome to Live Healthy. Every day, your trusted source for natural wellness tips that really work. Today I'm sharing a powerful yet simple home remedy that can help you clear stubborn mucus and phlegm from your sinuses, chest, and lungs, all with just 1 cup of natural ingredients. Whether you're dealing with nasal congestion, coughing up mucus, or that heavy feeling in your chest, this remedy, recommended by Dr. Alan Mandel, DC, a well-known chiropractor and health educator, might just be the natural solution you need. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the issue. Mucus is normal and necessary. Your body produces it to trap and eliminate pathogens, allergens, and dust. But when you're fighting off a cold, flu, allergies, or sinus infection, mucus production goes into overdrive. It becomes thick, sticky, and hard to clear. That's when it turns into a problem, causing blocked sinuses, sore throats, tight chests, and even trouble breathing. Instead of reaching for another bottle of medicine, what if you could flush out that mucus naturally? Here is the magical recipe Dr. Mandel recommends. These ingredients are likely already in your kitchen, and their combined effect is powerful. You'll need 1 cup of warm water, not boiling, juice from 1/2 a lemon, 1/2 tablespoon of honey, preferably raw or organic, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon. Let's break down why each of these ingredients works. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C. It helps thin mucus, making it easier to expel. It also boosts your immune system and reduces inflammation in your respiratory tract. Plus, its natural acidity helps break down phlegm. Honey is nature's cough suppressant. It soothes the throat, reduces coughing, and has strong antibacterial and antiviral properties. It coats your throat and helps reduce irritation caused by excessive coughing. Olive oil might surprise you, but it acts as a natural lubricant. It eases irritation in the throat and chest, helps reduce inflammation in the bronchial tubes, and can make mucus easier to move up and out. Cinnamon isn't just for flavor. It's packed with antioxidants and has potent anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and warming effects. Cinnamon helps open the airways and fight off infection while also stimulating circulation. And finally, warm water helps to loosen mucus and phlegm, making it less sticky and easier to drain from your body. It also soothes your throat and keeps you hydrated, essential for recovery. So how do you make it? Step 1. Warm 1 cup of water not boiling, just around 40 to 45 degrees Celsius or 104 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Add the juice from half a fresh lemon. Step 3. Stir in half a tablespoon of honey. Step 4. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Step 5. Sprinkle in a 1/4 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Step 6. Mix well and sip slowly while warm. I recommend drinking this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach or before bed if coughing at night is a problem. Many people report immediate relief after drinking this elixir. It can loosen stubborn mucus in the chest, open up blocked sinuses, calm throat irritation, support deeper breathing, reduce coughing fits, and promote faster recovery from colds and flu. And best of all, it's safe, affordable, and natural. But keep in mind, if you have acid reflux, use less lemon and cinnamon, as these can trigger symptoms. Diabetics should monitor the honey content or consult a healthcare provider. And if you're on blood thinners, check with your doctor before adding olive oil and cinnamon daily. Clearing your sinuses, lungs, and chest doesn't have to involve harsh medications or endless coughing. Sometimes, nature gives us everything we need in 1 cup. Try this remedy for 3 to 5 days. Listen to your body and let your respiratory system thank you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips every week. Leave a comment below if you've tried this remedy or have a variation of your own to share. Thanks for watching Live Healthy Every Day. Remember, your health is in your hands. Take a sip and breathe freely again. See you next time.